Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Christine and I am whipping together a 3-ingredient copycat nutter butter cookie. So I just thought I'd show you how super simple it is. I have family coming that are gluten-free and this is a perfect recipe, so come on with. Okay friends, this is it. There are only 3 ingredients to this recipe and I'm just adding it in a bowl really quick. We're doing 1 cup of flour, and it needs to be a gluten-free if you're going to keep this a gluten-free recipe. So I am using almond flour. So that's 1 cup. And then I kind of made a mess. I'm adding my nut butter. You can use, like almond butter, etc. I'm just using the natural creamy peanut butter, the Kirkland's brand, the organic. That's the one that we pretty much have around the house here. You could probably use some crunchy peanut butter as well. But I'm just keeping it simple and doing the creamy. And then the last ingredient, it is 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup. And I've got my parchment lined pan out. We're gonna mix these together and you'll just see kind of how fun they turn out. So I'm going to, once this is all mixed together, I've got my toaster oven on at 350. Once we mix these all together, we're gonna connect them. And it's just such a fun little thing. Yeah, like I said, I have family coming that is gluten-free, and I just kind of want some fun little snacks for them. You can't go to grandma's house without a fun snack, right? All right, so I'm just taking my little tiny roller here, or scooper, and I'm going to be putting them literally side by side to make them look like Nutter Butters, right? So we'll connect those once we get everything onto the pan. And they're not gonna spread or anything, so you can kind of put them closer if you want. You are the one doing the spreading because we're going to put a fork in them too. Oh, there's my toaster oven. I'm getting close. So last one, and then we're going to do the forking. Should have perfect amount here. Just a quick little batch. It's so easy, so fun. All right, set that aside, and I've got my handy dandy fork here, and I'm just going to press down and do like the token peanut butter wedge here. And you just want to make sure that they kind of look like a peanut, right? Isn't this fun? And they just like whip up so fast. Almond flour, peanut butter, and maple syrup. I've never tried it with honey, so let me know down in the comments if you've tried it with honey. Look how cute they are. And I'm sure I could probably throw chocolate chips if I want, but I'm just gonna keep it peanut butter. Gotta sometimes take a break from that chocolate, right? Then you can bring these anywhere. It's, summertime where I'm at, and you don't want them melting all over the place when it has chocolate in them. So, look how fun these look like. They do look like Nutter Butters. All right, so they're connected in the middle. Just give them one last push together maybe, and let's get them in the toaster oven. I have my toaster oven set at 350. And I do have one of those convection ovens, so that it does cook a little bit quicker. So I'm down to 9 minutes. I'm just gonna kind of keep an eye on them, but otherwise that's it. I'll see you when they're done. Okay, let's get these out. They're looking really good. I'm just gonna check the bottom here quick. Not too bad. I'm gonna just let them cool down. And then I've got that one that I kind of goofed up on. That'll be the one that I do the test tasting. So we'll see you as soon as these get cooled down. Okay, here we are ready for test tasting. So as I pulled this one off, it did kind of fall apart. So that means I have to eat it, right? So I put them in my little toaster oven at 350 for roughly 10-ish minutes, but it was totally already preheated. So not like turning it on and then it needed to preheat. So it was definitely at 350. They turned out golden brown on the bottom, and I mean, how cute are these? So what's wrong with having 2 cookies, right? Let's give it a test taste. I mean, there's my timer. Hang on. Hey Google, turn off timer. I was supposed to wait until that happened before I tried a bite, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna keep going if that's all right. So 3 ingredients instead of, I Googled it, anywhere from 7 to 10 different ingredients in regular Nutter Butters. This literally took from start to finish 20 minutes. Pull the ingredients out, mix it together, put them on the tray, throw them in the oven, and voila, you have cookies. You can super chill them to cool them down faster, but this is just delicious. And like I said, you can add maybe little chocolate chips or what have you, but I did not. And I think my family's still gonna love them anyways. So, thanks for stopping by. And if you like super simple recipes like this, hit that like and subscribe. I'm just gonna keep going. And I will see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care and God bless. I'm gonna finish this cookie and then I'm gonna figure out what else to make for my family. I mean, what's not to love about 2 peanut butter cookies? Well, let's just try that over one more time. Good golly. I mean, what can you... All right, let's just start this one more time because I really want to take a bite.